The Hawaii Department of Health has issued a notice of violation and order to a Hawaii County contractor after an alleged discharge of untreated domestic sewage into Reeds Bay in Hilo. Goodfellow Bros LLC was the contractor named in the Health Department notice of violation. The reported spill took place a little over a month ago, near the popular ice pond, a place where kids often take a plunge. On November 30th, 2020, the Health Department was notified of a sewage spill originating from the Banyan sewage pump station. Hawaii County officials reported that approximately 28,000 gallons of raw sewage spilled from a sewer main after contractors accidentally punctured the pipe while installing a sidewalk. The Health Department Clean Water Branch issued an advisory the day of the incident, telling the public to stay out of the water. Warning signs were posted for 7 days until water quality returned to normal levels. In a statement, the State Deputy Director of Environmental Health said, "The discharge of raw sewage into state waters is unacceptable." Keith Kawaoka said, "When working near our beaches and streams, contractors need to take extra care and pay additional attention to the location of underground utilities." The notice of violation and order includes a requirement for Goodfellow Bros to provide a report that describes how spills will be prevented in the future. The contractor must also pay a penalty of $25,000. Health officials say the company has 20 days to contest the findings and request a hearing. It is the job of the Hawaii Clean Water Branch to respond to sewage spills that reach state waters. The branch says it protects public health and the environment by prohibiting discharges which impair water quality, keeping Hawaii's waters fishable and swimmable for everyone. The Clean Water Branch says owners and operators of wastewater systems must comply with environmental regulations that are in place to protect the public. Failure to do so can result in legal action by the state, federal agencies, and/or private citizens.